Pyramid Lake. Let's do this. I'm starting out at 9 feet off the indicator with my Carano leech. All those people out there, they don't realize the fish are right here. Go away, little bird. This is not something to eat. It's not food. And in a matter of seconds, wow. We're trying to find a place that's out of the wind because it's just blowing. It's not easy to fish when it's blowing right in your face. So we found this launch. It seems a bit protected, and hopefully we'll get into some fish. We'll get down there, get in our float tube, and give her a go. I mean, look at the like, it's like these huge coral things on the bank. It's crazy. Oh my God, it happened. Oh my God. It is a legitimate lahot, and that was a takedown that I had. He took the black balanced leech. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, there's hope though. There's hope. Oh my God, dude. There's hope. Oh my God, dude. We need to fish this to dark.
Absolutely.
I look away. I look back. There's no indicator. Oh my God. Oh man. Oh, you got one?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Oh, hold on. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. Oh shit. Almost lost the ladder. Oh my God. What happened? Could have been a disaster. Your first Pyramid Lake fish, and I got the big ass net. Look at that. Yeah! Oh my God, you did it.
2 days.
Only 2 days. But only the, what, second cast with that fly?
That was more than that, but that was the first one I fished. I fished it really slow.
This net, I think it's just like swim around in the net.
I know. Oh, popped out.
Sweet. Nice.
Come here, bud.
There it is. Whoop. Up.
Look at that.
There it is. Nice, man. Way to go, dude.
Yes, no skunk.
No skunk.